Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today let's talk about Chainlink and its token Link and create an AI-based forecast. And before we do that, we'll just look at the overall sentiment of crypto market over the last 24 hours. This is something that we have developed in-house. This is a machine learning-based classifier which classifies most of the news titles from various sources over the internet over the last 24 hours and classifies them into bullish, that is green color, neutral, which is yellow color, and bearish, which is in red color. And some of the narratives over the last 24 hours worth mentioning is another US company has announced that it will accept crypto payments. So you can search that out in your own time. And also another news would be tokenized movement would be worth trillions, which is said by Sweat Economy co-founder. And one of the bearish news over the last 24 hours is the UK Financial Conduct Authority, per an opinion, is not pro crypto. So just this parses out news and then classifies them. So another one that we could cover is the MicroStrategy now owning almost 1% of the existing Bitcoin supply. It said that it's a big win, yet this is classified as a neutral news. So you can take it and use the link in the description to analyze the last 24 hours worth of news cycle using this chart, that is the sentiment. And now we'll look at what we have in store for today, that is the Link USD forecast going all the way to about December of 2024. uh, Before we cover the AI based forecast, we would like to briefly check out what is happening in the market. Over the last 24 hours, the fear and greed index has retraced back to 74. It was not too long ago that the fear and greed level were at almost 92. That was on the 11th of March. Now it has the levels have gone precipitously down below the extreme greed level, that is below 80, to about 74. uh, in the last 24 hours, the market cap of crypto has increased by 0.5%, still under 2.5 trillion. And in terms of the trending cryptos over the last 24 hours per coin market cap, Chainlink is in one of those trending cryptos at 41 spot. The performance over the last 30 days has not been that great, a decline by about 11.5%. Still, the market cap is over 10 billion and volume is slightly under 750 million. So that's about Chainlink in terms of its tokenomics. And if we consider price action as well as the tokenomics together, the maximum supply for Link is at, I think, 1 billion, out of which 590 million are in circulation. About 59% of total cap is in circulation, and by market cap, this token is ranked number 15, whereas by volume, it's for the last 24 hours is at around number 24. And in terms of its price versus market cap analysis, at the prior peak, the price was around $50. Right now, the price is at around $20. That means it's 2.5x away from peak in terms of price. But in terms of market cap, a 10 billion market cap as opposed to 20 billion at its previous all-time high in terms of market cap. That means in terms of market cap, the distance from all-time high is at about 2x, whereas in terms of price, the distance is at about 2.5x. This means that there has been some inflation over the course of the bear market, where the growth in market cap does not exactly coincide with the growth in price, but the inflation or the difference in terms of the price versus market cap is minimal. So that means whatever inflation the token has had was not that significant as compared to other tokens. In terms of technicals, you can see that there are three distinct key levels where once the rally crashes to this previous peak, that is the current support level. So when the price action in 2019 was close to 2018 high, that at that point it held support. Similarly, the 2019 high was kind of the support for this bear market at around $5. And in terms of its retracement, you can see that every next rally, the potential peak is between this 3.8 and 4.2 Fibonacci level. In over here you can see in from 2019 peak to that 2020 drop in the next 2020 summer, DeFi summer, the peak was at around again 4.2, and then ultimately the last all-time high from the peak in the uh, summer of 2022, all-time high in May of 2021, the rally was 4.2 Fibonacci level. And if we extrapolate this current bear market and the retracement from the current bear market, the next potential peak between this 3.6 and 4.2 Fibonacci level could be somewhere between 180 and 210 USD. So again, this is not financial advice. This is just an exercise based on the last three Fibonacci retracement. We see that the potential peak this time around could be around 180 and 208 USD. This is one of the technical analysis based forecast. Now let's go to our AI based forecast. This is the algorithm that we have developed in house. For this model, we had trained this model back in February 2024, early February or mid February of 2024, and at that, based on that data, the price forecasted for 2024 at a base level was between, again not financial advice, between 18 and a half dollar to all the way to about $26. This is the base case divide of any bias to bullish or bearish side. The bull case scenario forecasted by our model was between and it's still between to $20 and $20 and all the way to about $57 for December of 2024, sorry. And the bear case is between $10 and $16 or $15. That's the bear case scenario for Link. Just to summarize, per the Fibonacci retracement model, the bull run peak could be between 180 and $200, but that is the timeline for that peak is not determined, but our AI model considers week by week average price action and uses machine learning techniques such as ARIMA, LSTM, and XGBoost to forecast what could happen in future. This is again not financial advice. So hope you like this content. If you do, please subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a like, and hope to see you tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.